Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you with me as always, and I hope you're all having an amazing Friday. It is January 23rd, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Daily Recap. Market news and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was relatively light, but we did have a few notable data points worth watching. At 9:45 a.m., we received the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and S&P Global Services PMI. Then, at 10 a.m., we saw the University of Michigan one-year inflation expectations and consumer sentiment data. On the corporate side, there were no major tech earnings after the bell, keeping headline risk fairly muted. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., the market initially dipped, but quickly found support and recovered. Overnight price action remained relatively stable overall. Our algorithm entered a long position during the session. Meanwhile, silver surged to an all-time high, while broader markets remained calm through most of the night. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, Intel dropped sharply to the 47 level following weak guidance, which pressured the broader indices. In response, our system closed the overnight long position and transitioned into a short, adapting quickly to the change in market conditions. Cash session and intraday trades. At the 9:30 a.m. market open, equities pushed higher. Our short position was closed, and the algorithm flipped back into a long position. At 9:45 a.m., economic data came in as follows. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI 51.9, up from 51.8. S&P Global Services PMI 52.5, unchanged. Then, at 10 a.m., Michigan one-year inflation expectations 4.0%, down from 4.2%. Michigan consumer sentiment 56.4, up sharply from 52.9. Markets reacted positively to the data. Our system switched into scalping mode, executing several short-term swing trades to capture intraday momentum. Before noon, the long position was closed, with realized profits totaling $117. Afternoon session and into the close. In the afternoon, the market pulled back modestly. Our algorithm entered a short position, which was later closed for a profit. For the remainder of the session, trading volume thinned out significantly, as many investors began wrapping up positions ahead of the weekend. Summary. Overall, today's Friday session was characterized by lighter volume and choppy price action. Total trades executed 10. Net profit for the day $135. Weekly summary. This week closed out strong. 4 winning days, 1 losing day. Total weekly profit $1,720. Thank you for tuning in and being part of this daily journey. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week for the next Nasdaq Daily Recap.